In May of 2026, my wife and I made a return trip to Taos, and I visited the Taos Pueblo. And the material that they handed out indicated is home to the Taos Pueblo people, also known as in the indigenous language, Tiwa, T-I-W-A, as the Red Willow people. With a beautiful background of the Sangre de Cristo mountain range, there are some still operating structures, the North House and the South House, that are still lived in today. There's the St. Jerome Church, which was built in 1850 and continues to be used by the community today. And the ruins of the St. Jerome Church are testimony to the resiliency of the community. The tribe has its own government, land base, and municipality. It was an interesting place to check out, especially with the nice dark clouds giving it a moody atmosphere. I enjoyed photographing the windows and the red doors and sometimes blue doors. It was a fun trip. I must say the excitement was this pack of wild dogs that were running around and chasing each other for a time. Fortunately, I was not the target of their affections. After I parked at the parking lot for the Rio Grande overlook, I walked about a quarter mile, set up my tripod. It's a nice walking path, and then you could get as close to the drop-off as you felt comfortable. And you could shoot both ways, toward the bridge, and then you could just turn your tripod around and shoot away from the bridge. The dark, moody clouds threatening some rain provided some good atmosphere, and several compositions could be had by positioning the bushes in the foreground.